Meaning of gossip columnist.
Gossip columnist.
Gossip columnist.
Gossip columnist.
Gossip columnist. A gossip columnist is a person who writes about the private lives and scandals of celebrities, politicians, and other public figures. Their job is to report on rumors, hearsay, and speculation, often with a focus on salacious or controversial details. Gossip columnists work for newspapers, magazines, and websites, providing readers with a constant stream of entertainment news and celebrity gossip. While some people view gossip columnists as frivolous and intrusive, others see them as essential sources of information about the rich and famous. Ultimately, the role of the gossip columnist is to entertain and inform their audience with juicy tidbits about the lives of the stars.